High-strength bolts are heavy hexagonal head or round head bolts used with The threaded portion of high-strength bolts is shorter than for bolts used for non-structural applications, which reduces the probability of having the threads present in the shear plane. High-strength bolts produce large and predictable tension when tightened. Initial tensioning of high-strength bolts results in more rigid joints and greater assurance against nut loosening in connections subjected to slip or vibration. High-strength bolts used as A490M, F181552, and was to streamline and unify language for bolts and to simplify specification maintenance moving forward. ASTM F3125 is a combined structural bolt specification that was approved and published by ASTM in 2015. One important change in the F25 specification is an increase in grades within ASTM F3125 are still referred to by familiar designation.
An A325 bolt is designated as a Grade A325 bolt. One change in the F3125 is an increase in the minimum tensile strength from 20 ksi. Minimum tensile strength of 1/1/8 inch diameter and larger Grade A325 bolts from 100 angle bolts. ASTM F3148 under in 2015.
F3148 high-strength torque and angle bolts first became an ASTM standard in 2015. ASTM F3148 bolts look like a twist-off bolt. However, the splined end is not intended to shear off, and its presence is for torque reaction for one-side tensioning, which is a distinct advantage. Additionally, these bolts are meant to be tensioned via a torque and angle method only, also referred to as the so-called combined method of installation.